Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today I'll be demonstrating how to create this fun chocolate pumpkin and an autumn themed cake. This video is sponsored by My Dream Cake. You can find all of the materials used in this tutorial in the description box below or on their website listed in our bio. I'm going to start off by adding some dark chocolate into that little stem section at the top. Let it set in the fridge for 10 minutes and then add in your milk chocolate that's been tinted orange with Color Mill Oil Blend Color. Let the chocolate settle along the sides, tap out the excess, and then repeat the same step again for the other half of your pumpkin. This is just regular white compound chocolate that I've used. I like compound chocolate because you don't have to temper it and it's very stable. You can refill them a second time, or if you just want to add a little bit extra stability, you can take the back of a spoon and apply it towards the edges. They come out of the mold really easily after 10 minutes of being in the fridge, so gently fold them out. These won't bud up perfectly naturally because the edge of the chocolate, when you kind of have it in the mold, it's not going to be perfect, so we need to take a hot pan, run the top surface against the pan, and that's going to even it out perfectly. Do the same for the other side. This is also needed to melt each edge so that once we've filled our pumpkin with something, we can kiss the two halves together and they're going to be absolutely seamless. Pop it aside and then work on your cake. This is a 6-inch cake. If you want, you could cut it in half and fill it with frosting. I'm just going to go ahead and create my final layer of frosting straight on there. You can use dark chocolate ganache mixed with buttercream as I have here. Makes a really good medium and it's already nice and brown for that log look. Then taking a small spatula, starting at the very base, running it up the sides of the cake. And once I've completed a full circle, I'll do little half ones around just to make it look a little bit more non-symmetrical and natural. Peel that top lip towards the middle and then taking my little spatula on an angle, running it against the top of the cake without lifting and just using my turntable to help guide my spatula. At the end you should have a little something like this. Before you put your buttercreamed cake into the fridge, apply your pumpkin so it sticks to the fresh buttercream, and then as a little added decoration you can take some green buttercream and a little round piping tip. Create a long swirly string and then little leaves coming off it just to add a little extra detail and dimension to the cake. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box to all of the materials used in this tutorial and the My Dream Cake website if you'd like to check them out. They have all things cake decorating from A to Z. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you'd like to stay to the end to watch this pumpkin be smashed into with the world's cutest and smallest mallet, you can.